In this video, I want to show you how to set up your Logitech MX Anywhere 3S with your Windows PC computer. So let's get started right away. First thing is we need to put the mouse into pairing mode. So you're going to turn it on, and you notice over here you have three different lights. By pressing the button, you can switch between three different devices. You're going to pick one of these lights to represent your PC computer. Let's say I want the number 1 to be my computer. The number 2 could be, like, for example, an iPad, and the number 3 something else. So you can have 3 devices. So you're going to put the light over the number 1, and you're going to keep it pressed until it blinks quickly. Then you can release the button. It's now in setup mode. And on your PC, there's a chance you get this message: new MX Anywhere found, to pair, connect. If you see this window, simply press connect, and it will happen in just a few seconds. Now, if you don't get this message, you don't have to worry. You simply have to go right over here and click on the Bluetooth symbol, Bluetooth logo. If you don't see it, click on the arrow. It should be there. Click on it. And then select Add Bluetooth Device. After that, simply press the Add Device button on the top of the page, and then select the first option, which is Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds and your mouse name should appear on this display. Here we go, it's this one, MX Anywhere 3S. Click on it and it will start connecting right away. You don't need any software, any drivers to simply use the mouse with your PC. As you see, it says connected, and now if I'm trying to move the mouse, well, I can start using it. At this point, well, any PC Windows computer will have a few mouse settings you can change. And to do that, the easiest way is to simply go on the search bar down below and type mouse. Then select mouse settings. And from here you can change, you see, the mouse pointer speed, the scrolling speed, and other things and other details regarding your mouse. If you want to customize further your mouse, because it has those customizable buttons, you need to download the Logitech software. And I've already filmed a video showing you how to customize it using my Mac computer. So I'll simply put it right now. It's the same exact steps if you have a PC. So let's get to it. Safari or any browser, go on Google and simply tap Logi Option Plus. So this is the software from the official Logitech website. Click the first link and select download for macOS 13 or later. Double click the file you just downloaded, open, enter your username of your Mac and your password, then click install Option Plus, and just leave it like this until the download is completed. Alright, after that, click on Open Accessibility. And we need to allow Logi Option Plus over here. So simply tap the small toggle and again enter the username of your Mac and the password. Then you can close this. Click Allow. Press Continue. Continue. Here you can click No Thanks. You can click Skip. And now, as you see, it has detected the Logitech MX 3S. So at this point, click on the mouse. Let's use the mouse since it's here. Click Skip. And now we can finally customize the buttons. As you see, you can customize these 4 ones simply by clicking on one of these and selecting what do you want it to become. Let's say I want this to be redo. Well, simply by clicking this redo button, it will switch. Now, one thing is that you can customize this mouse so it acts a different way depending in which apps in which program you're using. So if you're editing video, let's say, and in Final Cut, you want this button to behave differently than in general, simply click over here where you see Add Application. Select the software that you like to customize the mouse for. So let's say Final Cut. Click Confirm. Continue. And now, again, now we are in Final Cut. You see, this one is selected. Click the button you want to customize. And now you're going to have a series of customization specific for that software. As you see, zoom in, zoom out, delete marker, and many other things. So now you can set this exactly the way you wish. The 4 dots over here, this is for the global setting. This is in general. But every time you're going to open Final Cut, it will switch automatically to act a certain way, the way you decided over here. And you can add multiple different software. If we go back, you'll be able to have different options that you can modify as well. If you want to factory reset this mouse, by the way, in the future, you simply have to go in the settings and then over here, reset to default settings. Or if you want to delete this mouse from this computer, remove device. This is about it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if it was useful, or even if it wasn't, comment as well. I want to know why you didn't like it. And I'll see you in the next video.